In today's video, I'll show you how to add tax rates in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you need to charge sales tax or include taxes in your service pricing, this setup will help you manage it properly and keep your billing accurate. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Payment Settings or Billing Settings section from the left-hand menu. This is where all payment-related configurations are managed. Now look for the option called Taxes or Tax Rates. Click on it to open the tax configuration panel. Next, enable tax settings if they are not already turned on. After that, add your tax rate. You can enter a percentage value based on your local tax requirements, such as VAT or sales tax. Now choose how the tax should be applied. You may be able to apply it to all appointment types or only specific services depending on your business setup. Once you've configured everything, click Save Settings to activate the tax rate. Now Acuity will automatically calculate and add tax to your client invoices during checkout. Before finishing, test the booking process to make sure the tax is being applied correctly on the payment screen. If your tax rules change in the future, you can always come back and update the rate anytime. And that's it. You've successfully added tax rates in Acuity Scheduling and set up proper billing for your services. And that's how you add tax rates in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.